Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can search by image in Google Chrome. So if you have homepage opened like I do right now, then over here we have the search bar of course, and on the right side we have this icon. If we click on it, then we should be able to either upload a file, upload an image, and then try to search an image, or we can paste the image link. So if you have the URL of a link, then we can paste it over here and then click on search in order to find something similar. And as you can see, this is how it works. We can also select the text over here. So if our image has a text, then we can click on text over here in order to try to find something by using the text that is on the image. And at the same time, we can also translate the text if there is any, of course. And if we go back to search, and then over here on the right side, we have the results, and we can try to find source image. So let's click on that, and then we will try to find the exact matches, so where this image has been used on which websites. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.